Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is ICT Skill Development. It's Punjab University Semester 1 B.Ed book. It's a bestseller book of Vinod Publications as per their previous books were also, and it's in Punjabi medium as you can check. So let's review this book. First of all, come to syllabus. In syllabus is it's a new syllabus as prescribed by Punjab University Chandigarh, and every unit is clearly mentioned in first of all in syllabus. In both the languages the syllabus is mentioned so that the readers of both the languages of English and Punjabi, whichever they are comfortable can read it. Unit 1 Introduction to Computer, Unit 2 Elements of Computer, Unit 3 Operating Computer System, and then Unit 4 Internet and Networking. Now we can come to contents. Unit 1 is mentioned, Introduction to Computer, with the subtopics. You can also verify the contents with syllabus also, whether the contents cover everything which was there in syllabus or not. So Unit 1, Introduction to Computer, Meaning of Computer, Definition, Need of Computer, Importance of Computer, and so on. Let's come to now syllabus to verify whether it's right or not. Introduction, need, importance, nature, advantages, importance, everything is completely there with subtopics given, so you can also clearly check. Subtopics are very well discussed in detail. Importance, information, need of information technology, page number are also mentioned in front so that you can easily check, and the language is also both in English and Punjabi, so you can easily see. Then you can check Unit 2, Computer Hardware Fundamentals, Outward Services, Anatomy, Storage Devices, Display Devices, Type of Computer, Computer Network. You can verify with this syllabus also. You can check in syllabus, computer hardware devices, storage means, and everything explained. Unit, and now you can go to Unit 3 of contents, check operating system, everything is clearly explained, and then you can check Unit 4 Internet and networking, everything is clearly explained. Internet, need, importance, then subtopics are also given. So clearly the syllabus, which everything of the syllabus has everything in the contents also. Now we have to check whether the page numbers which are given in front of the contents, whether the page numbers actually cover whether this page number are actually accurate or not. For example, if I go to page number 155, whether this topic utility tools of Unit 3 will be there or not. Let's go to page number 155 to the check. So page number 155, utility tools or topic is clearly there, so you can verify it's absolutely right. Suppose you can go to Unit 1, you can check importance of computer education in 13 page, and you can now check it's in 13 page or not. Importance of computer education at elementary school, page number 13. So yes, definitely not only contents have everything which are there in syllabus, it has everything which are there in syllabus. It also has the page numbers very well written, subtopics are very well explained. You can go to any particular page, find a particular topic, read it and find it your own way. You can read it own way, and the language of the are highlight. The topics are highlighted in both Punjabi, and in the bracket it's written in English also, so that the viewers who will find it easy to understand in English can also read it. You can check any particular topic, it's written in both the languages and then explained in Punjabi for sure. And then you can, in the back side of the book, you can see another books also of this publishing firm. They are very good books, you can buy that. Now coming to the price of this book is only for rupees 174.50 rupees. This book is available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can buy this book online, or you can also call them directly at 9218-219218, and the book will be available to you in the 3-4 days time, and you can make them deliver to them. Then you can also go to the website at www.vinodpublications.com and check other books. You can go to Facebook, YouTube and Twitter of Vinod Publications and check other books. Also, if you don't want to purchase this book online, you can purchase it offline also. You can purchase it by hand also, like at any bookstore which are available in your area. You can visit that, which has B.Ed books. All the books of Vinod Publications, including this one, will be there. ICT Skill Development, I think it's a must buy book. Semester 1 Punjabi medium, Vinod book, B.Ed and it's a Punjab University book of rupees 174.50. I definitely recommend this book. You should must buy this book. Highly recommendable. Awesome book from my side. Thank you very much.